Wish announces the appointment of Vijay Talwar as Chief Executive Officer and a member of the company board of directors effective February 1, 2022. Talwar is an experienced retail, e-commerce and consumer brand executive who has led significant digital and operational transformations within both established and rapidly growing multinational enterprises. In his most recent role as CEO of Foot Locker Europe, Middle East, Africa, EMEA, business, he was credited with building a strong, customer-focused, omni-channel retail business and increasing sales, profitability, and market share. Previously, as president of Foot Locker Digital, he successfully repositioned the business as the fastest-growing and most profitable segment within Foot Locker portfolio. Wish is a global technology company that helps people make the most of their lives by bringing together the best of the internet and traditional media. Talwar is the CEO of Wish, who will be responsible for leading the strategic execution of the company's turnaround plan. Wish is in a critical period of growth and Talwar is focused on making sure that the company remains on track to reach its potential.